Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. First off, people has been subscribed to our channel and been following us for a little while. You guys are great. Hey, check this out. I finally figured out, and y'all know the beef I've had with certain people, why they come to our channel making negative comments and I had to ban them and all that. I finally figured out why they do that. Why does somebody with so many subscribers, you know, over that 50,000 mark subscribers, decide to come to our channel, which only had like 200 or something at the time, try to degrade our channel? And now I see it's a threat. I finally realized it's a threat because I see the direction our channel is going. You know, at Astral, it's not about us putting out videos, you know, to help you work on your cars. It's to help you better yourself, you know, to do it yourself. I can see the things we're going in, and yo, it's pretty cool, man. It's outrageous. I'd be kind of jealous too. I mean, yo, I don't know. But anyway, check this out, guys. This is our situation today, and you're gonna give me some input on this. You're not gonna like this. Out here in Rocky Mount, we had two places that rebuild transmissions. Astral Auto Repairs don't get into rebuilding transmissions. That is not our field. That is a separate field. So there was two places. One called Earl Jackson, which had a good reputation for themselves, and Aamco transmissions. The Aamco transmissions are nationwide, but this place has a really bad name for themselves. So here's the story, guys. This 96 Intrepid, the customers had they knew we didn't get into transmissions. So the car didn't have fourth gear, didn't have that overdrive gear. So they took it into Aamco. Aamco rebuilt the transmission, charged them a bunch of money. Of course, you know, that is expensive. 2 weeks later, the car did the same thing. Yeah. They took it back to them. The car sat there. Now this is after they got all the money, you know, under warranty. They tell them the car doing the same thing. Wouldn't shift, wouldn't get into high gear. So they let the car sit there for 2 months. They told the customers that their rebuilder was out sick. You know, and as I said, this place got a bad reputation. It kind of sucks, you know, that you're using a name that's nationwide and you're using that to rip off people like that. That ain't cool. I mean, you can look it up, the Aamco in Rocky Mount. There's only one, so you ain't gonna be able to find them more. But they said okay. They waited. They're gonna wait. They're gonna bring it back. They took it. The customers were coming home. They pulling in the driveway. Car shuts right off. Starts right back up. Pulls it over here. Go back to start it. Nothing. Click, click, click. All right, sounds like a starter. But when I got here just now, I got into it and tried to start it up. It went click, click, and then it started up. But here's the weird thing, guys. I said, okay, I'm gonna pull it over here closer to the truck so I can work on it. I put it in drive, and I noticed it took like 3 seconds before it actually engaged in drive. I was like, what? You got to be kidding me, man. So we're gonna check that out. We're gonna see what's going on, why it won't start. Hopefully you can see why it shut off. The check engine light is supposed to be on, so we're gonna check that out too. Check out the battery, post, starter. These people are a ripoff. But let's get to it and check that out. You know, matter of fact, while we're over here, I'm gonna show you what I mean, because I gave some vice grips or something to keep the door open, keep the hood up. All right, let's see what it does here. Let's get inside here. 175,000 miles. Let's see. And you saw that the first time, it didn't start at all. Now, let's see if you guys can. Wait, now watch. Let's see if you can feel when this thing goes in gear. If you can hear it or something. Okay, now I'm in neutral, right? Watch this. Damn, it just went into. Well, you heard that? See that? Bam. You know, these guys are a ripoff, man. It's plain and simple. Let's try this again here, starting it up. See that? And look at my lights on the dash. Check engine was flashing. What the freak? Let's cut the key off. Let's cut the key back on. All right, let's go out here and maybe we got a dead cell and let's cut these lights on. I got the lights on in the back of the truck. Let me see something here. Yeah. All right, let's get out here. Let's pop the hood open and this sucks. You know, that's why, guys. That's why I was telling you. I try to, you know, us do it yourself. We got to stick together, guys. We got to cut this mess out with these shops, man. These shops are ripping people off. You know. We just got to stick together, guys. We got to do this. You know, so many of us do it yourselfers, man. We take over this damn place. All right, let me get this, get the hood up, and check that battery out and them cables. Be right back. All right, guys, I got this up. Guys, take a look at this, man. All right, there's the transmission down there, and I don't know, guys. Take a look at this side right here. Look at the transmission down there. Do that? Yo, wait a minute, man. That ain't looking. This is some. Guys, I'm talking. Yo, listen. Hey, you want your family to get ripped off? Then you go right ahead. But listen, we got to get together as do-it-yourselfers and put an end to this mess. You know this transmission wasn't cheap. And let me get a light down here. I mean, I've worked in a transmission place, and there was the casing was always cleaned and they was always painted and all. I don't know. I'm not gonna say they didn't take it out. I'm just saying this looks bogus. That's exactly what I'm saying. But all right, let's oh man, let's look at the terminals here. Let's pop off these battery caps. I'm not sure if anybody put water in them, anything. Oh, look at that. That'll do it. That'll definitely cause a little problem here. Look at that post. That'll definitely give us a little issue right here. Issue with that. Let's get us a screwdriver and pop that off. We're gonna do something with them terminals. We're gonna do that first. And look at this ground strap. Man, that ground strap is actually broke. Ripped right there. All right, let's pop this off. Pop this cap off. Look in there. Let's clean this terminal up. All right, let's pop this other cover off. Okay, this one I just saw smoke coming from one of them cells. So what I want to do here, I want to look down into them. Light. I want to see if I can see. Yep, just what I. Check this out, guys. You can do this without even having a battery hydrometer. A battery hydrometer will check each cell. Let's look down into these. You know, this thing is just. All right, let's look down in here. Tell you what, guys. Look at what we're gonna look at now. See down there? You can see the plates. And that one. Let's move over. You can see the plates. Can see them in there. You can see them in there. That cell looks a little low, but we can see them. Look at that one. Not a damn thing. Don't see nothing. Them plates are really messed up in there. They're really dissolved. So it ain't even no use in me doing this. We're gonna need a battery here right from the start. We're gonna need a battery. I can change these terminals. I got new terminals. I can change the terminals, but that's what it's gonna need first off. A battery. So let me go talk to the customer, because I mean we do got some more issues here, but that's first. All right, be right back. All right, customer's gonna get a battery, and well, actually we're gonna come back and put a battery in. But what I want to do is, I know I disconnected the battery, but let's go in there and see if we got a hard code, which means that code just gonna be there no matter what. So let's go get in and hook up the Actron. Right back. Okay, let's go up under here. There it is, right there. And it looks like piece of loose. Let's see. Let's hook this up. My Actron didn't activate. So let's get the keys and check this out. Right back. All right. I just got the paper from the customer. Let's see here. Failed. Pass. All right. There we go. There we failed for PO 600 serial communication link. All right. That's why it failed. I mean, we still got issues here. Let me put this key in here. Put this key on. Man, weird. That light came on and everything went out, man. Yo, we got an issue here, but you know, I'm not even gonna really go into this right now, guys. I'm gonna. I told the customer we gotta get a battery first before I go anywhere, start doing anything. I need a fresh battery. Then we can go and we can pull this off. We can check all the fuses, see if the fuse for the communication or whatever, and look the code up. PO 600. Wow, this will be my first time diagnosing this code, but I'm Astral. I can handle it. All right. Let's get back out here. Be right back. All right, we got a few issues here. And remember, it gotta start with the battery. I gotta get me a fresh battery to see what's going on. Then I can go into the communications issue. Did somebody misdiagnose this transmission? Yes. It wasn't a matter of rebuilding no transmission. It could be an electrical issue here that caused that transmission not to shift into that fourth gear. But customer will get a battery. We're gonna check it out. Trust me, you're gonna be with me when we do it. We get back into it. All right, this is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, the do-it-yourselfers can. Take care, guys.